Live off dividends by Devo, starting from $0 today. Turning $0 into $5,000 in monthly dividends sounds like a dream. But what if it isn't? It's actually something you can work toward, even starting from scratch. Will you need to be a financial genius or win the lottery? Not at all. With the power of compounding and a simple, consistent investment strategy, it's more achievable than you think. This video will show you exactly how to make it happen. Today, we'll walk you through the ultimate step-by-step guide to go from zero to hero. You'll learn how to uncover extra cash for investing, build rock-solid habits, and harness the snowball effect through dollar-cost averaging and dividend reinvestment. Even better, we will dive into crafting a portfolio of high-dividend ETFs. By the end, you'll see how this strategy can give you $5,000 per month in dividend income and grow into a $668,000 portfolio value, a strategy that works so you can live your dream life even after retirement. How to uncover extra cash for investment. In today's fast-paced world, having a side gig can be the difference between just getting by and building a life of financial freedom. Sure, you like the idea of investing, but cutting out a chunk of your salary seems like a big deal at the moment. If this is you, then you should definitely consider getting a lucrative side gig. Whether you simply want extra income, or in this case, you're saving towards a big goal, there are plenty of lucrative side gigs that you can start right now. No matter your skills or schedule, here are some of the best options we believe can get your investment journey started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is no doubt one of the most flexible and profitable side hustles. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopToll allow you to offer services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or even virtual assistants. And it works because there is always a high demand for specialized skills. All you have to do is set your own rates and work hours. It's an easy way to earn extra money in your spare time. Speaking of potential income, we are talking anywhere from $20 to $100 plus per hour, depending on your expertise. If you don't have any of these specialized skills, you could try number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. It's perfect if you already have an online presence, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or active social media account. With affiliate marketing, there is scalable income potential and minimal upfront investment. Even better, beginners can earn from $100 to $500 per month. If you have experience, then you could be raking in an extra $5,000 plus monthly. Number 3. Online tutoring or teaching. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, online tutoring could be a rewarding way to earn extra income, and this is because there will always be a high demand for education. Websites like VIP Kid, Tutor.com, and Preply connect you with students from around the world. You could also create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Potential income is $15 to $50 per hour. Number 4. Pet sitting and dog walking. We have been going on and on about skills and creative ability, but if you don't have any of those, there are a couple of side gigs that you can still take advantage of. Pet sitting or dog walking is one of them. Anyone can do it. Animal lovers can turn their passion into profit with platforms like Rover and Wag. This side gig is not only fun, but also a great way to stay active. Consistent demand and a low barrier to entry are just a couple of reasons why this gig works. Potential income here is from $20 to $40 per hour, or even $1,000 plus monthly with regular clients. Number 5. Driving for ride-sharing or delivery apps. If you own a car, ride-sharing apps like Uber or delivery services like DoorDash and Instacart can help you turn your downtime into cash. It is easy to start, and you can work whenever you want. These are just a few, and there are so many more to choose from. Just remember that the best side gig for you depends on your skills, interest, and availability. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, or delivering food, the key is to start small and stay consistent. Each of these gigs has the potential to grow into a significant income stream, helping you achieve your financial goals and gain more control over your future. So why wait? Start exploring your side hustle options today. Micro-investing apps. Say you already have that extra source of income, the kind that you can put away comfortably towards your investment goal, but are still worried about how to actually begin your investment journey. You don't have to wait till the money from your side gig adds up to a lot. With micro-investing apps, you can start small and grow your portfolio over time. Micro-investing apps are tools that help you start investing with small amounts of money, even as little as a few dollars or cents. They make investing easy and accessible for beginners by allowing you to invest your spare change, set up automatic contributions, or buy fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. Popular examples include Acorns, Robinhood, and Stash. These apps are great for people who want to grow their money over time but don't have a lot to start with or don't want to manage complicated investments. Remember, the key here is consistency. To help you build consistent habits in investing, let's move on to dollar cost average. Put simply, dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price of the investment. Dollar cost averaging is like buying your favorite snack every week, no matter how much it costs. Sometimes the snack is on sale and you get more for your money. Other times it's more expensive, so you get less. Over time, this helps you avoid spending too much all at once and make sure you keep buying little by little. For investing, it means putting the same amount of money into your favorite stocks or funds regularly, like every week or month. This habit keeps you consistent and helps you grow your money over time, even if the price goes up and down. It's a simple way to stay on track without worrying too much about when to buy. Dividend reinvestment plans. DRIP for short. A dividend reinvestment plan is a program that allows investors to automatically use their cash dividends to purchase more shares of the same company instead of taking the dividends as cash. Considering that many DRIPs allow you to buy shares without paying trading fees, it is safe to say that they are a cost-effective investment strategy. Even better, there is room for compounding growth. You see, reinvesting dividends allows you to buy more shares, which can earn even more dividends over time. This creates a snowball effect. Think of a dividend reinvestment plan as planting a tree that keeps growing bigger by itself. When the tree gives you fruit, instead of eating the fruit, you plant it back into the ground to grow even more trees. The fruits here are your dividends. Automatically reinvesting your dividends means that the new shares also start earning dividends. Just like that, the cycle keeps going, ultimately growing your investment faster and faster, like a snowball rolling downhill. What to invest in? Now let us tell you a little about Devo. The Amplify CWP Enhanced Dividend Income ETF is a high-dividend ETF that combines quality holdings with an income-focused strategy. It invests in large-cap companies like Microsoft, Visa, JP Morgan, Chase, and Caterpillar. As you can imagine, these are companies renowned for their stability and consistent dividends. Devo's covered call strategy enhances income potential, resulting in a strong and high dividend yield of approximately 4.6%. It also has a solid history of delivering consistent returns since its inception in 2016. Setting retirement goal. Retirement might feel like a far-off dream, but achieving it on your terms starts with a plan today. The first step? Setting your magic number, the monthly income you'll need to cover essentials like housing and food while leaving room for a few luxuries. Next, understand that this amount has to be translated to how much you need to invest regularly per day. With what we will show you in a couple minutes, just $20 a day invested, you could build a portfolio generating $5,000 in monthly dividends within 20 years. So if your magic number is lower than $5,000 per month, your investment could be even lower. But of course, if you have a magic number higher than $5,000, you will need to be more ambitious about earning extra cash for investment. Let's say you're earning $20 a day from a side gig like dog walking. That's $7,300 a year to invest. Sounds good, right? Now, think of it like a magic piggy bank. Each day, you put in $20, and over time, your piggy bank doesn't just hold your money, it starts creating smaller piggy banks called dividends. With Divo ETF, these dividends offer a 4.6% yield, and both your piggy banks grow by 6.02% annually. Here's the best part. Divo also gives you dividend growth 10.32% a year. It means that the bigger mother piggy bank also gives you a bigger baby piggy bank each year as well. Just like that, your mother piggy bank and its babies grow bigger over time, and the babies will create their babies as dividends as well. This is the snowball effect. As you can see, it turns your daily efforts into a long-term wealth-building machine. Step-by-step growth. Now let's talk about how a small habit of reinvesting $7,300 a year can snowball into something amazing. In just 5 years, your contributions of $36,500, combined with $2,000 from capital appreciation and $4,300 in reinvested dividends, can grow your portfolio to $45,700. That's about $160 in monthly dividends. Not huge, but it's just the beginning. Fast forward 20 years. Thanks to the compounding snowball effect, your portfolio could skyrocket to $668,000, giving you $5,000 per month in dividends, enough to cover your lifestyle and more. This is significantly 14 times bigger than the 5-year figure, thanks to the compounding effect from Divo. Investing even small amounts consistently can have a transformative impact on your financial future. Starting by collecting money for investment just $20 a day, you can build a significant portfolio that not only grows over time, but also provides passive income through dividends. The key is consistency, patience, and reinvestment. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has for growing and compounding. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today and let time and the power of compounding work for you. Ready to kickstart your investment journey? Do share your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips.